Otikpo, what are you adding to my soup? Wait, Otikpo, you want to eliminate me? Otikpo, the only food I've seen since morning, I've not taken any since morning. You want to eliminate me? You will. You must finish this food. You must eat this food. Otikpo, sit down.
He's not.
Shut up, sit down. Otikpo, eat. Otikpo, you must finish this food. You want to eliminate me?
No.
Otikpo, I will send you. I will send you. Wash your hand and eat this food. In fact,
no, it's not what.
Eat this food. Otikpo, eat it.
It's not what you think.
I say eat this food, Otikpo. Otikpo, mama gora. Come on, eat it. Bibiya. Jesus. Fast. Otikpo, eat this food.
You know what you think?
Eat. Swallow. Eat another one. Eat. Turn it. Otikpo, turn it. Oh yeah, eat. Come on, eat that first. Otikpo, eat. Ribeya. Otikpo, eat. Fast. Stop. You will not die here. Fine, you know what? Take this food to your house. When you get to your house, finish it to your house. You won't die in my house so that they will say Kopeze has eliminated Otikpo, the class prefect. It's not going to happen. Otikpo, take it to your house. Hey, thank you. So this is how I would have ended my... Hey! Oh, who could have sent this boy? Jesus! Jesus!